13 years I paid the cost. Every lie, every loss. You played games, I played along, till I saw I was the one you played all along. I was loyal, I was real. You were fake behind the field. Every promise counterfeit. I was building, you were burning it. No more hope to hold it up. No more trying, no more us. DeadBOLT, hear it when it slams. I'm not yours, I never was. Just the one who gave a damn. No more chances, no more lies, no more looking in your eyes, trying to find something true. You lost the one who held you down. Now there's no one left around to keep saving you. DeadBOLT, locked out, no key. You don't get access to me. You fed off what I gave, used my love like it was safe, like I'd always stay the same, while you kept playing your game. Found the truth inside your code, everything you tried to cloak. Every word you ever said don't mean nothing now. Instead, I don't argue, I don't plead, I don't need you to see me. DeadBOLT, hear it when it slams. I'm not yours, I never was. Just the one who gave a damn. No more alibis, I'm done believing you. You lost the one who held you down. Now there's no one left around to keep saving you. DeadBOLT, locked out, no key. You don't get closure. You don't get grace. You don't get me in your space. No more fixing what you break. No more giving what you take. Final DeadBOLT, final sound. This is where it all shuts down. No more circling the drain. No more loving what destroys. No more giving you a choice. You don't get me again. You lost the one who stayed too long. Now I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone. Dead, gone, locked out for life. You don't get back inside. DeadBOLT, this is me, taking back everything you took from